Tasha in Marietta has a condo, and every faucet that comes on just reeked like rotten eggs, a real heavy sulfur smell. She thought, you know, what could it possibly be? We went out and we tested the water, and there was a high sulfur content. And we were able to use a filtration system tailored specifically for that situation to take that smell out of the water. As the main water line came into the building, we put our filtration system there, and that way every fixture downstream of that is all filtered water. And the system we used in this case had a self-regeneration system, and that prolongs the life of that filter, so nobody has to touch it or do anything for it for a few years at a time. I think it does something like 1 million gallons before you have to do any kind of maintenance to it. That solved the problem. No more stinky water.